Hello, assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? My name is Malik, guys. Oh my god, I can't thanks enough. Oh my god, I have finally passed phase one of my Forex fund evaluation account. The capital was 100k and I had to make 8% profit. That means $8,000. I've made pretty much $9,500. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the evaluation account of my Forex fund with $100,000 capital, and there was a $8,000 profit target, which I did 9,520, 9.52, and you see there's still 29 days more left with the challenge because it comes with a 30 days, and like I have to wait for 4 more days to you know meet the minimum 5 days trading period to get my phase two. So once I get my phase two, I will update you guys, and hopefully we'll hit to a live account very soon. Thank you all. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? Man, I'm really too excited today because I've passed my valuation account with my Forex fund. So like a phase one so far. So I had to make $8,000 out of 100k capital, so like a 8% profit target. So I've been trying to hit this from a very long time. So finally I've made it yesterday. So I bought an account yesterday, and yeah, I did it in one day, like in one session, in New York session. I've traded gold. So yeah, I just have to like wait for 4 more days and like a trade for 4 more days, because these are like 5 days minimum trading, like a condition that you have to trade a 5 days of minimum. So then I'll get my phase two of, if I make like 4% of phase two, then I'll get my 100k live account. So guys, so now I'm gonna take you to my desktop and show you what trades did I took. So it was 2 trades, so pretty much it took me like 15 minutes to make $9,500. Honestly, that's really crazy. But yeah, there was a risk involved as well, but I was aware of it because I know where market probably will go, because you never know 100%. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to my desktop and show you how it went. See you guys. Hey guys, so yeah, I just want to quickly record the video of what I did yesterday and made $9,500 in my evaluation account, not a live trading. Okay, so that's how I did pass my phase one in one day, or I would say in just one session of 100k. And I'll quickly show you what I did. So first thing first, I do not use indicators. Yeah, there are people who use indicator and widely successful, which is good, but I don't like to see indicators on my charts. You'll see trend lines, or maybe just a critical price action. That's it, like where I see the price is critical breaker, and like smart money concepts like that, because I follow ICT and ICT's teaching. That's it. Okay guys, so we are on a gold chart. I only trade gold and Nasdaq, so we are on a gold chart, and I did expected a daily bias as a bearish. So I was expecting a down day, but guess what happens yesterday? So this is a 1 minute chart. So here it's an like 5 minute chart. So I do look at parallel charts on an hour and 15 minutes and like a daily. So what happened yesterday, I do not trade Asian session. So this yellow line here, this yellow part is the Asian session, and the next one is a London session and a New York session. I either trade London or a New York, or sometimes both, but I do not trade Asian session at all. So we had a down day. I was expecting a bearish day. Gold is being melting, and there was a key liquidity that I was expecting it to take it out. So what happens here, the day just started and we had this bullish run on gold. You see how this the price movement gone today up and made the high of the day in Asian session. Perfectly fine. So here is the concept I'm going to show you quickly. Let's say we had a bearish day. So there's a concept of power of 3. Most of you must have heard from ICT. So the power of 3, what happens, the day start and we see an accumulation. So price want to accumulate. So let's say we accumulate and made the high of the day, or either the high of the session, I could say, like. So price rallies up, made the high, right? And this purple session is the London session. So what could happen in London session? We will either break down, okay, because we are bearish, so we will either expand lower, or either what we will do, we will either take out the liquidity or the order that's resting above the Asian session high, and once, so that means this is a new high of the day in the London session, and then you will see price moving down. Okay, and because this is why timing is very important, guys. Time is really important. You need to know what time is it, and because on certain time there's a high probability moves in certain pairs. Okay, so time is really critical. So if we are here, you see this is where the day begins, right? So that means we are exactly at the same price or a little bit above or below this price we begin the day with. Okay, so now this is where you have to see. So that means the high of the day is being made on a bearish day, but the low of the day hasn't made yet. So this means we will probably expand lower in a newer session to make the low of the day and close the day. Okay, closing, just forget that part. We're not worried about closing, we're only worried about high and low of the day. Okay, so as you know, the high of the day has been locked in. So now what will happen in the first hour, the pre-New Year session, we will either retrace up to the fair value gap, not all the times, but to the fair value gap here that made the highs. So we'll either retrace first here and get the liquidity out of the market from here, from the buy stop that's resting above here. I'm just giving you the hypothetical example. It does not always goes up and take out the high. It could like easily expand without taking out the highs, which is completely fine. That means you might have missed the move, but if you wait for 8:30, the New Year session open, this stock indices session open, then yeah, you will probably get another opportunities. But let's say, so the highs of the day is being locked in, and we are bearish. That means we're going down below the opening price. We're going down below here. So this is where the opportunity comes in. This is where I get this high probability trade. See, there is a broker. There is a breaker. Once price moved below that swing low and come back in and did not move above that, that means that price level is being respected and it's being locked in. So we should not have a price coming back up again, maybe. Okay, and this is how we ended the Asian session. And if you look at here, I just want to show you guys quickly something. If you look that price where the day begins, and you see here, this is the price where the day begins with, and what you see here is the low of the London session. That means there's a New York session coming, and we haven't went down to the price where we begin with. So there is a high probability on a bearish day. That means we are definitely going down, but we don't know exactly when. So yeah, so if you see that once I know that there was a breaker that was respected and the price moved down, and that is a pre-New York session here, and what we did, we went to that order block here and respected that order block. I did not get in. I did not get in exactly at that point. Of course, I waited for 8:30, 8:30, and you see exactly at 8:35 what I see, there was a break of a structure here, and the price went up and filled that imbalance. I know it's hard to see for you guys, but let me try to zoom in. Hopefully this could be better, but yeah, so there was a break of a structure here first at 8:30, and then price went into that fair value gap of ICT's concept, how he teaches is in 2022 mentorship concept, and we see this price move. Okay, then it went back up again, and I did not enter again. Of course, I waited because I know that move up is just for the people who have been who have their stop loss resting above these highs. It's just to scare them out, and then price went down again. So this is where I make my $9,500 of evaluation account in just 15-20 minutes. Here, that's it, guys. So that's what happened yesterday, and I passed my phase one of evaluation account. So guys, yeah, so for more concept you can visit ICT's channel, or if you have any questions you can put down in the comment below, and I'll be happy to answer that. Thank you, guys.